Who actually has time for another job? Most working mothers don't have an extra free 4 or 5 hours waiting for them at the end of each day. They have children who need them and meals to prepare. They have family members depending on them. They have a home to manage and a body that desperately needs rest. And that is why your plan must fit into your real life. You may have an hour before work, 30 minutes during lunch, and another hour after the children go to sleep. But that might not sound like much, but focus time is more useful than spending hours consuming random information. You do not need more time before you start. You need to know what to do with the time you already have. Get the free Freedom Formula Blueprint by clicking the link in my bio.